Besides Subaru, Porsche, and some older Volkswagens, could you name one or two Flat-4s of any kind? Although they are not particularly common, there is a high number of them. Know that many sound very similar to Subaru, and don't wonder why. Lancia Flavia. Named after Via Flavia, an ancient Roman road, it was constructed in late 50s with a 1500cc boxer engine. After years, it evolved to a 126 horsepower 2-liter with a mechanical fuel injection by Fischer. The Flavia was sold as a 4-door sedan, but the Coupe and Cabriolet followed quickly, drawn by Pininfarina and Vignale. Another Coupe was designed by Zagato. Tatra 600 Tatraplan. After World War II and an outgoing Tatra 57, it was time for a brand new car. Julius Meckerli, as chief designer, took inspiration in the T87 and created its smaller version with an air-cooled 4-cylinder boxer instead of a V8. It was incredibly aerodynamic, increasing not only its fuel mileage, but also top speed. In fact, it was capable of 130 km/h with just 52 horsepower. Rotax 912. As an Austrian engine manufacturer, Rotax mostly makes aircraft units, but is responsible for the old Aprilia's V-twin as well. The 912 model is around for some years now, and has already been updated, featuring a bigger displacement. The heads are cooled by water, while cylinders have fins for air cooling. Honda GL1200 Goldwing. In around 1970, Honda wanted a grand touring flagship motorcycle, which became a sales hit eventually. The project was led by Soichiro Ijimajiri, who designed many Honda's MotoGP and the F1 V12 engine. With over 640,000 Goldwings built, it was launched with a comfortable seating and 1-liter Flat-4 engine. In 1987, the displacement was enlarged to 1100cc, and then again 3 years later to 1200cc as the largest 4-cylinder in the Goldwing. Alfa Romeo 145 and 146. The Alfa Romeo 145 and 146 are really interesting cars on this list. Not just because they are both using boxer engines, but due to the fact that they had both either longitudinally mounted flat unit or transversely fitted inline one. The boxer was obviously installed in line with the car, powering front wheels only. To be exact, they came from the older model of 33. Lancia Gamma. The Gamma, similarly as the Flavia, was an executive model manufactured as both the sedan and coupe. The coupe was remarkably beautiful and also a little more lightweight. Shame on Italians that just like all Alfas of the time, these Lancias were front-wheel drive only too. But they produced a nice soundtrack with the box engine playing main role. Zundapp K800. Zundapp was mainly known for motorcycle manufacturing built between 1917 to 1984 when the company defunct. The model of K800 was one of them, featuring a boxer 4-pot with around 20 to 26 horsepower. The gearbox was a manual 4-speed, and in case of the sidecar, there was a lock-in diff. Jabiru 2200. Competing especially with the Rotax 912, the Jabiru 2200 has also its 6-cylinder brother, the 3300. This Australian unit is all air-cooled, with push-out valve train and much bigger displacement compared to the Rotax. Another difference is that for the 912 is not recommended to use the avgas 100, while the 2200 is fine with the avgas 100/130. The 100/130 has 100 octane in lean settings and performs as a 130 octane fuel in rich mixture. Smarter after every video, I hope you are, as often I am. As always, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you are interested in my vlogs, subscribe to Viziracer Vlogs as many new videos are coming out soon. Cheers!
Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in Paris.